What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into the Solana price chart because we have an update right here. We want to have a look into the price targets, the invalidation points, and to see where are the changes and where are the levels that we are looking at. So let's get straight into this. First of all, we made a very important bounce right here. You know that in the last video I said, okay, when we break to the downside right here, we do not want to see this level right here getting broken, because this level right here is our invalidation point for our higher price target of $250 till the 18th of September 2025. And you see right here we have touched it, got a little bit below it, but didn't make the daily candle close below it, and then we have bounced right off. Right now we are testing the next resistance level. So it was the last support level that we have broken. Right now it is resistance, and we are testing this level right now. Obviously we want to see a daily candle close above this resistance zone right here. This would be the first bullish confirmation, but I also want to give you one idea that I have posted yesterday in my Bitcoin analysis, because you know the whole market is following Bitcoin, and in Bitcoin we just saw the retest right here of the breakout level that we have talked about for so long. And right now we have also made a perfect retest, bounced, and right now we are also testing here, you can see it, the resistance level that was previous support right here. You can see it right here, 1, 2, here we've broken it slightly, then bounced back off. Here we have touched it again, and then we had the daily candle close slightly below it, and then we did the retest. And I said that what has happened is we did the retest, but the fear and greed levels did not got into the fear levels. And what we have seen from the previous corrections, also like right here, that we have seen that with the first touch of the breakout level and the first basically bottom in the correction, that when we do not reach the fear levels, that likely we will see a retest of the recent bottom right here. And right now we would have the perfect setup for this, because we pinpoint the retest, we made a bounce to the resistance level, and right now potentially we will do the retest of the bottom, and then maybe we get into the fear levels with the sentiment, and then we are ready to go and to move higher. So this is something that potentially can happen in Bitcoin, and you know, if that potentially is happening in Bitcoin, this could also happen in Solana. We have a similar setup right here. You can see we have broken support, have done a retest of the next support level right here, did a very nice bounce, and right now we are testing the next resistance zone right here. So yeah, similar structure like in Bitcoin, and right now we are struggling a little bit to get above this resistance zone right here. What we of course want to see is a daily candle close above this resistance level right here. But even if we do that and Bitcoin does the double bottoming formation, I think likely in Solana we will see something similar, and then also do a double bottom, and then potentially we are good to go to move higher. And in case we are doing this, in case we are doing the retest, we do not want to see daily candle closes below this support level. Otherwise, the bigger price target, the $250 price target, this would be invalidated. Then we have the next support level right here at 147, and this is also the invalidation point of the smaller price target of let's say $212 till the 20th of August. So that would then be the invalidation point of this price target, and that's of course something that we do not want to see. But right now also let us cover the bullish case. So in both cases, I think the higher likelihood is that either we are doing this, the retest, or that somehow we are making our way back up right here. And in case we do this, so either the retest or also that we are moving higher right now, this would give us a new price target, because you can see if we are moving higher right here, we are breaking here this recent high, and that is of course something that would be really nice to see. And just to give you an idea where this potentially can bring us to, let's put that here on the high. This would bring us again to the 256, so a little bit higher than our bigger price target right here, but very likely you can see right here the time window, of course, that was the wrong rectangle. The time window of course is completely unknown, but this would point somewhere in the right direction that we potentially see also the bigger price target being hit in the second half of the rectangle and not in the first half of the rectangle, because we got hit by a bigger correction. So that is something that I'm currently looking out for. So first of all, we want to see a daily candle close above this resistance zone right here. The real confirmation will happen once we reclaim the breakout level. So once we have a daily candle close above the breakout level. But you know, it's all eyes on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin does the retest, Solana likely will do that too. But afterwards, I think we are ready to go, to move higher and to get us to the next price targets. In case there should be any updates to the downside, to the upside, so if we are breaking support levels and then we have invalid price targets, you know, I will upload a video. In case we are going higher, I will also upload another video about this, so make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss this. Also, in case you have any questions or other cryptos you want me to have a look at, feel free to post them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.